Good morning, everyone. This is Lovely with another wellness vlog. And I am on day 4 of a 30-day meditation challenge in which I've committed to doing meditation twice a day, once for 5 minutes and once for a guided which is silent meditation, and once for 8 to 12 minutes. And I wasn't even going to make a video today, but because I was like, well, I have nothing to say. I don't need to make a video every day, you know? And I was like, maybe I'll make one at the end of the week. And then I was just talking to my partner, and we were talking about the books that we have, and they were talking about the books they have, in different places, like Audible and Kindle and, actual books and all this and downloads. And I was like, wow. And then they were like, yeah, and I'm not reading any of them because I'm coming home every night and watching TV, and I'm disgusted with myself. And I just busted out laughing because, I was like, I said, don't be disgusted with yourself, baby owl. We call each other baby owl when each of us is I don't know, being cute. And because of the baby owl books that says, I'm not tired, I'm not sleepy. And it's a baby owl being all fierce. But anyway, I was laughing because this week I also was talking to supportive friends in Bright Line Eating that something came up about I don't know if I can do another self-care challenge. I just feel burnout. I'm so tired. And someone else said, I'm trying to have a lot of self-compassion. And it's just, I think it's critical that whenever we take on, challenges or, try to make little shifts in our lives. I mean, I think that's what a challenge is, right? It's a shift in your life to something towards where you want to be, or to bring in something you want in your life. That we have a lot of compassion for ourselves, because it's not easy to change habits. We come home after a long day of work, and if you have a commute like I do, you're just I gotta do dishes and create dinner for myself and my child. What? And think about some self-care? No, I want Netflix, I don't even want to make the dinner. And right now I'm on this, fairly strict food plan where I can't just put anything in my mouth. And it is, yesterday, and then if anything's going on, for instance, I'm struggling right now with sleep. And, it is the hardest thing when you haven't had sleep over a series of days to do anything besides zone out, in whatever way, shape, or form. So I just, I'm reminding myself here, because again, these are what these vlogs are about. They're to help me share out what I'm going through and hopefully begin a dialogue and a way of supporting each other when we are making these life shifts to make our lives better. And I just need to remind myself that I need to have buckets of self-compassion. I need to have buckets of compassion for myself, trailers full of compassion for myself, because it's not easy, but I am showing up. I'm showing up for myself in a way that, that brings up a little emotion. I'm showing up for myself in ways I never have in my entire life. And that's really amazing. And I am so grateful to the people who have inspired me to do that, because these ways of changing my life, this way of changing eating, the ways of changing my relationship to my body through yoga, the way of changing my relationship to my space and my objects through KonMari, and the way of sort of changing my relationship to my my spirit and my connection through Wild We Roam and Sarah Blondin and all these people is literally making my quality of life better, and in ways that I have always wanted and never been able to achieve on my own. So, gratitudes to all of you who've helped inspire and shape my life, and buckets of compassion for you all who need some to add to your self-compassion bucket. And together we are thriving. I'm lovely, and so are all of you. Let's do this.